oh, but actually, English and computer code are just two different kinds of language. So this is a real example. GPT, find me a security vulnerability, then write code to exploit it. So here's what I put into GPT. Describe any vulnerabilities you might find in the following code. I paste in some code from an email server, and then write a Perl script to exploit them. And very quickly, it wrote me the working code to exploit that security vulnerability.
So if you had the code of the Wi-Fi router and you wanted to exploit it and then did it, you get the idea. These things can compound on each other.
New technology, really out in the last 3 months, lets you listen to just 3 seconds of somebody's voice and then continue speaking. You can't tell, right? And so how do we expect this to start rolling out into the world? Well, you could imagine someone calling up your kid and getting a little bit of their voice, just, oh, sorry, I got the wrong number, then using your child's voice calling you and saying, hey, mom, hey, dad, forgot my social security number, I'm applying to a job, would you mind reminding me? And actually, we were thinking about this as we wrote
We're thinking about this example conceptually,
yeah.
And then it turned out
and then
in the last week.
Within a week, it turned out other people figured it out too and started scamming people. You have an example about like the locks of society.
Yeah, think of it as, anything that's authentication based, you call your bank and I'm who I say I am. Anything that depends on that verification model. It's as if all these locks that are locking all the doors in our society, we just unlocked all those locks.
What nukes are to the physical world, AI is to the virtual and symbolic world. And what he meant by that was that everything human beings do runs on top of language, which is, you train these models on all of the internet, so it's seen many different